a plotted development where the nature is prime and the location is quite divine. But hurry up, because only 5 villa plots are left for you. Presenting Godrej Eden Estate by Godrej Properties. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the project overview of Godrej Eden Estate, which is located near Hinjewadi Phase 1, Pune. So, as you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get Thakar Chowk, Man Road, जो लेफ्ट साइड से आपको कनेक्ट करता है हिंजेवड़ी से, और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करता है महालुंगे से. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview, which is an exclusive plotted development where you get 44 premium villa developments, out of which only 5 villa plots are left, and where you get your privacy and quite low density living. Godrej Eden Estate is planned across 4.12 acre of land parcel having 44 villa plots. Now let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located at Man Hinjewadi Road, Hinjewadi Phase 1, Pune. इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है इन्फोसिस सर्कल विच इज़ 900 meters away, हिंजेवड़ी मेट्रो स्टेशन विच इज़ 1.8 kilometers away, and Baner which is 4 kilometers away. Now let me tell you about the amenities of this project that complete the lifestyle to cater to your wellness, entertainment, and family living. This project has over 20 plus luxurious amenities such as kids play area, garden, amphitheater, open area, and many more. Planning to buy a new home? Well, I have a very strong recommendation for you, which is Housey's Rights of Home Buyers series. काफ़ी होम बायर्स को अपने राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता जब वो अपना नया घर लेने जा रहे होते हैं, चाहे वो बिल्डर्स के कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शंस हो या फिर कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इश्यूज़ हो. हमने इस सब को काफ़ी सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में इस सीरीज़ में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो अगली बार से अपना नया घर लेने से पहले ये सीरीज़ ज़रूर देखिएगा. लिंक इज़ इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो. नाउ लेट मी टेल यू अबाउट द प्लॉट साइजेस ऑफ दिस प्रोजेक्ट. This project has 2200 square feet to 2800 square feet area of plots. Now let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they may proceed with the booking process. Now for the final verdict, for anyone who is looking to build their dream house at the prime Hinjewadi location and with a quite limited inventory remaining, this project is worth considering for your long-term value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Godrej Eden Estate, which is located near Hinjewadi, Pune, and is developed by Godrej Properties. To know more about this project, click in the link below to download the e-brochure and price sheet, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.